Archbishop's Moment, sponsored by Uganda Christian University, a center of excellence in the heart of Africa. Join the UCU experience now.
Look at Potiphar's wife, a woman. This is the prime minister's wife, and this is a houseboy. Can you imagine how temptations can degrade and sin can degrade someone of high profile and ends up somewhere? Come and sleep with me. This man said, Mama, my boss left everything with me except you. Everything I am, everything but you. Can you imagine? In sexual psychology, they say a person resembles or they are the same status with the one you choose to sleep with. That is why when somebody in a big office sleeps with a secretary, they become at the same level. Or a teacher sleeping with a child of primary 6, senior 1, they are the same level. All these people who are highly respected, the respect is kept when you keep the integrity with the choice you made. When you go out, you lose the respect. Because this person will be talking about you. There are some men and women who always go and stand in public like I'm doing, and in the congregation or in the gathering, others are politicians, some women are saying now, probably today he's wearing a white underwear or a blue or something like that. So some people, they put on clothes, but in the congregation, others are seeing them naked. There are some people here, you can be what, but others are seeing you naked. Potiphar's wife.
Archbishop's Moment, sponsored by Uganda Christian University, a center of excellence in the heart of Africa. Join the UCU experience now.